Narwhal, guess what?
What, Angie? What is it?
I've recently got these new pads. They're extremely extra absorbent and they whip up all the extra blood.
That's amazing, darling. Now, how are they working out for you? Maybe I can whip myself up some of those someday. Great. They are super absorbent. I haven't leaked once.
That's amazing! Now you can finally hook up with the Guidos at the club. Yeah, so I won't be worried about my damn leakage that's always happening to me. Yeah, that's great, darling. Guess what I just got done with me? What is it? My testicles untwisted. Yeah!